क्या आप भी उन लकी कैंडिडेट्स में से हैं जिन्होंने एनसीसी स्पेशल एंट्री या एसएससी टेक एंट्री की कट ऑफ क्लियर कर ली है और साथ में आपने अपनी एसएसबी डेट्स भी सिलेक्ट कर ली है, पर आप घबरा रहे हैं कि अपने वर्किंग आवर्स के साथ कैसे टाइम मैनेज करके प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करें? तो घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। टारगेट डिफेंस फोर्सेस एक फुल प्रूफ प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें पास्ट में आपके जैसे कैंडिडेट्स जो वर्क कर रहे हैं और सर्व करना चाहते हैं, टाइम मैनेज नहीं कर सकते, उनके लिए हमने प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है, ऑनलाइन प्रैक्टिस प्लेटफॉर्म, जिसमें डेली प्रैक्टिस चलती है आपके आने वाली एसएसबीज़ में। यू कैन टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अपूर्वा, who had secured All India Rank 1. Right now she is in OTA Chennai from SSC Tech.
Along with her, many other candidates are there from all over India for various entries who are working, like Utkarsh, Indu, Sunandan, Abhishek, Sanjeevani, Pratap, Nidhi, Prashant, etc. Right now, they are either getting trained in various training academies or have got commissioned. और अगर आप भी एक सच्चे डिफेंस एस्पायरेंट हैं और इन्हीं की तरह इसी अटेम्प्ट में रिकमेंड होकर अपने सपनों को पूरा करना चाहते हैं, तो without any second thought, join us right now by providing your details in the given WhatsApp number. Rest we will take care of. The best part of Target Defense Forces family is here you will get not just a group but a family, and you will be the part of the daily practice platform till your SSB, in which daily lecturate, news, group discussions, PP&DD sessions and important Zoom sessions are conducted. And from this platform, almost everyone gets a screen-in. It means we are having almost 100% screening results. To know us more, just check the links given in the description. You'll get to know us even better.
See you soon in the groups. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.
So when it comes to preparation part, I had started with into the multiple stages. So in TDF we have seen that there are multiple interviews that are being taken. सेक्शन वाइज हम करते उस पे काम, हर एक सेक्शन, हर एक इंटरव्यू जो मॉक हमारे चल रहे थे उसमें बहुत हेल्प हो रही थी वर्किंग अलॉन्ग, कि किस पार्ट पे ज़्यादा जोर देना है, किस पे नहीं देना है, डिटेल आंसर कहाँ तक लेके जाना है, उसको आंसर के फुलफिलमेंट में हमारा अचीवमेंट कैसे लिखना है, वो सब पार्ट था. इट वॉज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एसएसबी एंड पुटिंग आर वी कैन से पॉजिटिव पार्ट इनटू इंटरव्यू दिस.
So fortunately, I was a member of TDF family from a very long time. I came here and I looked upon my personality, and then so I became more grounded. And also, sir, there were various members in the TDF organization. So apart from you, sir, you have always been my guiding force for getting into armed forces. Even when I gave up, so you were the only one who told me that yes, you can do. You fueled my motivation.
And for sure, it has been a very impactful and very helping journey. In a very confused state, I called Vivek sir and he explained everything very calmly. Because of that, I joined Target Defense Forces, and since then, every day has been a new learning, a new improvement in myself. Right from the PPDT sessions and the psychology part, the GTO part, everything is covered in a well-structured manner.
A very loving and supportive family who would not only support me when I was going correct, but also criticize me when I was doing something wrong. With the mentorship and the help of Vivek sir, who was always there for us when we needed him, I have become a person who is way calmer and can put her thoughts into action more properly. What is special about TDF? I would like to say that here we have daily practice sessions, be it PPDT or GD, news, lectures, we do it daily.